Okay, today we're going to open a lot of packs, okay? Then first, we have, these two cards are just laying down. They're empty, okay? And this is also empty. It was a break Amistar, Rebel, okay? And I can show you my binder because I didn't fill up lots of spaces. Like that. I'm going to show you like this. Okay. We might do something. You might look at nothing. Okay. Do you see that? Okay. Then I'll show you this box. You can skip these. See? Okay. You have all that mess. See? You see that page that has some misses? That was all of that. We're going to try to fill up this binder. And this is going to be our helper. I named him Pepper, okay? Well, there is this card that it's in a case, and looks like it's one card. We got this prism card, Latios Prism. Okay. Then I'm gonna look for a space in the binder where that can go. I'll put it right here. Okay. Now I'm going to. Oh yeah, I know sometimes I have this other thing that I can't see right now. I just see that. First, I'm gonna just put that right there. What's the first card? Okay, I'm gonna find a spot. Oh my God, now we have this pack, okay? We're going to lift it like that. Seriously, we should do this last, okay? Because that was a really good one. Then I'm just going to do it. Zamazenta and that card. This card, I'm going to put it really there. Because I want you to look at it. And I want you to see all that detail that they spent it all on this card. It should be lots of money because it's scratchy. Okay? 300 health free tags. This is so good, probably. I'm going to put this in the good cards where all these fantastic cards go. Right? And I have these cases that are empty right here. Like, it came with all these, like, cases. See? Then this case. I have about, I had 4. See these cases? These are all so clean. And the best ones go in the, I think both of those should go in the clean page. There's also a VMAX page that we can open. So Magenta goes there. Tag team. That can go there. I'm going to put this in the good side. And I don't know it, but we got this. There. These are not that bad, but they're not that good. And I'm going to put them in a spot that's for bad cards. Okay, it's right here. Here, and here, and here. Now, we got a pocket monster one, okay? Then I'm going to do that as usual. Oh, that's is, let me look. I don't know the name of this one. I love this because it's a Dragonite. Dragonite is the second favorite card. Pokemon, yeah. And this looks on the back of it, it's really dirty. Now, okay. And you see that like sparkle? You cannot really see that. And I forgot the name. I think it's Golduck. Yeah, it's Golduck. I think it's Glassly team, whatever team it's called. This one is just a random person that I don't know. Kind of familiar, but I don't know. I'm gonna put this in a special spot. It's on top of these other Japanese cards that are like red. You got this back. Free cards. Okay, I just literally closed my eyes. A Lucario. A silver Lucario GX. Not silver. I cannot put the money up. But I still have this case. That's perfect. To go with. Put this right here. This goes right there. This goes right here. Whoa. There. Back. I'm gonna get space for these two cards. I think I have a perfect space. I'm not telling I have a perfect space for it. It's just that the spots that I wanted to go in, that like it should go in for me, is here and here. Now, I'm going to open this. It's, you know what that's, the V Max one, the V Max. I'm not talking about it, but a V Max pack. If you get so lucky, you can actually get all the V Maxes. See, this is going in the case, okay? I'm gonna put this in the last perfect case. This is my third big Pokemon. Yeah, it is. That's why I'm putting it in here. Okay? There, I have a perfect spot for them. It is a VMAX page. Oh, my Zoom code. The first page that I have empty space, whole thing. And this is first. Second card is... Wait, I'm doing that. Pretend you didn't see that. Golbert. This is going to go here. Seriously, a Eternatus. Why is this pack so good? How did we get a Eternatus? This is going right. Seriously? How do we getting a sleeve? That's going right next to Bolton. We There's this, and behind it was Tellian. Tellian goes here. This one goes here. Angle slash. Ooh, this is, guys, I put this card in here, random. I just put a VMAX random in there. And this is my first VMAX. This is my first. Putting it right there, and the God of War. You saw that card. Oh, we don't have any more space. Literally, I'm gonna put this in the back and put the one that was in the back in the front. Okay? It is Mew. See that cute Mew? This is so expensive. It's more expensive than Mew to be Star. Okay? See? This is going in the perfect spot that I made it. These are the last ones. Tellian and, this one. They get a special spot. Here and here. And I got a Yu-Gi-Oh pack. Here, I mixed it in. Okay, that was really good. We got two really good cards. And I'm gonna get the VMAX the EX pack that I saw. Wait, but first I'm gonna get a 2-pack. It is Rayquaza. It's always Rayquaza pack. I forgot it's a Rayquaza pack. You can get 2 Rayquaza. There's the EX pack. Oh, this is just one card. There's only one card in here that's not EX. Then it's Toxiex. Please be a good card. Please. What? No way. No way. It's not a flow art, but it's really good. Going in this case. Actually, no. This case. No. It's really kind of like a flow art, but it's not. Because it's not scratchy. There. Watch it up. Look. There. Those are the cards. I am just going to, I was going to do this last for a surprise, but, I'm feeling like to do it now. Okay, I just have to find it. It looks like this really good thing. Like, shut up. Oh, no. I'm not talking about shut up. Okay? It's a coin pack, okay? It's literally a coin pack. It's a really good pack. Okay? And here's the coin pack. And 2 of them are not coins. Okay? Here's the first coin. Blastoise, second coin. Charizard, third coin. Dragonite. Last but not least. There. Okay. Now we have 2 other ones. Okay. We're almost done. Done. Oh wait, one more. Yeah. This says, I think I have a full art trainer. That's real, okay? Here, I'm going to show you something that has, we have all of our, a page that has all of our rainbows. This is a rainbow pack. All of them could be rainbow, but that's Pecky's back. I meant parrot. Always remember, do a hat trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I am going with the rainbows. Yeah. That should be. Two really good cards at the back. Are you ready for the mega pack? Here you get. You too. Charizard. Plus. See that Charizard one you just saw? Where's the and the Mewtwo one? You see these 2 cards? They're both going into the set. The Charizard one goes in this case. And the Mewtwo one goes in this case. And these are the cases on the back. Alright. This is a really good. Remember, I forgot to put this somewhere. Now I just put it in here, right there. The full train one's going last. Okay? Oh, well, these are just like the coloring ones. You know the things? I probably don't, but like, You know those things that are like, they look like there's like a pen on it? Like, I don't think you know, but it's really good. Really good. This is the full trainers after this, because this is almost last. Meow meow. Oh, rainbow. It's a rainbow. Yes, I love that card. Got more rainbow. Rainbow the way. Pretty sure. Put this here, 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 here. Pretty sure that's most. There should be 2 more empty spots. Just gonna put this here, and here's the card. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe. Bye. Okay. This.